superheroes, but cars! The American cruiser proudly cruising down the highway with patriotic speed. Wow! Wonder Woman Roadster, zooming through traffic with grace and power. Batmobile lurking in the shadows, ready to race into action. Web spinner sedan swinging through traffic with agility and style. Wow! Flaming convertible, turning heads with its fiery design. Ha! The super cruiser soaring through the skies and streets alike. Ha! Venomous coupe, a dark and menacing ride with a taste for speed. Hulk car smashing through obstacles with unstoppable force. The Stark supercar, equipped with cutting-edge tech for the ultimate ride. Oh my! Aquatic convertible gliding effortlessly through waves of traffic. Wow! Joker's joyride causing chaos and laughter on the roads. Gamora car is a sleek and deadly vehicle with a fierce attitude. Deadpool with a motor dishing out wisecracks and crazy stunts. Ha! Grootmobile, a wooden wonder rolling with charm and a heart of gold. The Ivy hybrid, harnessing the power of plants for a sustainable drive. Punishmobile, seeking justice on the roads with a heavy dose of style. Fist car is a sleek and martial arts-inspired ride with a fiery engine. Captain Marvel car is harnessing cosmic energy for a supercharged ride. Speedster car, darting through traffic in the blink of an eye. Wolverine car, indestructible and always ready for an adventure. Electric roadster, zapping past traffic with bolts of lightning. Harley car is a vibrant and quirky ride with a touch of mischief. Wow! Infinity Cruiser, seeking to collect all the best rides in the universe. Daredevil driver, fearlessly navigating the roads with heightened senses. Sub-Zero car is a frozen ride that can handle any icy terrain.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.